Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how to sell cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin in your PayPal account. So when you're in the summary tab of your PayPal, you might have a PayPal balance, which will show up at the top. Below that, you should find your crypto balance, and it's going to have your current value of cryptocurrency. Below that, there's a little button that says buy and sell. We're going to click on that. And then on your crypto page, it's going to list how much money you currently have in crypto, and it'll have which crypto that money is invested in. And you can see for me, it's Bitcoin over here. And to sell this, we just go ahead and click where it says buy/sell. And then we're going to go down here to where it says buy and sell, and we're going to be clicking the sell option. And then if this is the first time you're selling cryptocurrency in your PayPal account, it's going to say, let's confirm some tax info before you sell. You only need to do this once. So then go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to have you confirm your taxpayer status. So it's going to have your legal name, which is going to be the name that's on your PayPal account, your date of birth, your taxpayer identification number, and then your current residential address. Either you can select the one that's currently set on your PayPal account, or you can add another address if you've changed your resident with the prior address perhaps being outdated. But for the taxpayer identification number, we're going to click on this area. And you're probably going to be using your social security number, but you might also just be using your individual taxpayer identification number, but I'm going to click on social security number. And then you're going to enter in that identification number right here. And then we're going to move on to the bottom half of this form. And by checking this box, you're certifying the following information. So be sure to read that over before clicking this box. And then you're going to be giving your digital signature here, your first and last name. And then after that, click submit. And then it says your information has been submitted. So then at this point, you can sell however much Bitcoin you want. It'll show you how much value that you currently have. You can sell all of it. You can enter in a specific amount. And let's say in this example, we're going to sell $30 worth of the Bitcoin. So you enter that in right here and then click next. And then it's just going to give you a quick review page that you can look over before completing the sale of the amount of Bitcoin that you're looking to sell. So I had a price of $30 US, and it's showing me how much Bitcoin that this is going to be and the current exchange rate. And then it also will list the transaction fee, which will be taken out of the price. And then it'll show you how much money that you're going to receive with this transaction. Then you can just go ahead and click where it says sell now, and you should be good to go at that point in time. So I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.